In this video, we're going to show you how to add multiple language subtitles using speech-to-text feature in Filmora. Make sure your video has a voice, or you can add it separately. Then right-click on your video clip or audio clip, then from the menu, select Speech-to-Text option, and another screen will pop up. Here, first select your audio language from the drop-down list. If your voice is in German, then select Germany, or if it is English, select English. Then select the language to be translated from the drop-down list with 23 language options. Then select the file to be converted. You can select Clip Selection to apply speech-to-text on a current selected track, or select the Entire Timeline option to apply speech-to-text on the entire voice. Then select the format of subtitles for SRT and title. If you select SRT further, you can export the SRT file only, and you can add it further to your YouTube video while uploading on YouTube. Now, make sure your auto match switch is on, then click on OK, and a progress screen will pop up. Once the translation is done, close this window, and you will notice two SRT tracks. The first one's the original language, and the second one is the translated language. Now edit your subtitles, double-click on them, and modify them accordingly. Then, to export SRT title, right-click on SRT title and select Export Subtitle File, and it'll open an exported location of the SRT file. Creators can use this feature to create multiple subtitles for their videos to reach out more audience members. The merchant can convert their product videos into multiple subtitles to maximize the reach to potential customers. It's that simple to create bilingual subtitles in Filmora. Download the Filmora now and explore the world of creativity.
Several developing stories as we come on the air. The Northeast blanketed in snow as millions brace for more flooding in the West. A deadly gas explosion rocks an entire neighborhood, and former President...
That's all for today. If you're interested in more visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com.